A lot of people want to promote their own products, but real-person UGC content is way too expensive. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create authentic, realistic UGC content using just one product image. Let's dive into my complete workflow. Step 1. Head over to the TensorArt homepage. Click Forge in the top left corner, then create a new project. Next, click Agent in the bottom left corner. Step 2. Select UGC mode. Type in your prompt. For example, this is my sparkling beverage. Need a series of images with a girl holding it indoors, showcasing the product. Then upload your product image. The agent will give you a bunch of suggestions and ask about your target audience. It'll tailor recommendations based on your needs. All you need to do is chat with it and hit yes. And you'll get realistic, authentic-looking images like these. Step 3. Now, let's turn this into a video. Double-click on the blank canvas. Select Video. Then choose the Cdance 2.0 fast model. A character verification prompt will appear. Upload the image we just generated and wait for it to be reviewed. Step 4. For your prompt, feel free to reference my writing format. Hit Generate and you'll get a video like
your life
this.
Choices, you need this. The bubbles hit you like an icy blast.
As you can see, it looks completely like authentic footage shot by a real person. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.